Unit 6. There is, there are.
There is an eraser in the pencil case.
There are spoons on the plate.
Is there a hospital on this map?
No, there isn't. Are there cars in the street?
Yes, there are.
Grammar tips.
We will do tips for what you just listened to. Tips for there is and there are. We use there is for singular nouns. We use there are for plural nouns. The short form of there is theirs. There is no short form for there are.
Examples.
Let's take a look at some examples. There is a subway. We say there is because there's one subway. There's a rose in the garden. There is means there's one rose. There are balls in the store. There's more than one ball. You say, there are. There are people in the store.
Right and wrong.
Now let's look at the right and wrong section. There is notebooks on the desk. Notebooks is plural. You say there are, not there is. There are notebooks on the desk. There are a chair under the table. A chair is singular. You say there is. There is a chair under the table.
Grammar tips.
We will look at tips for there isn't, there aren't. We put the word not after be verbs to make the sentence negative.
Examples.
Let's look at some examples. There is not a boy in the school. You can see not is after the be verb is. There isn't a strawberry in the basket. Isn't is short for is not. There are not any bears in the country. There aren't any books on the shelf. Aren't is short for are not.
Grammar tips.
Now we will look at tips for making a question. Is there? Are there? The be verbs come before there to make a question.
Examples.
Let's look at some examples. Is there a market? Is the be verb, and it's before there. It makes a question. Is there a dog in the house? Are there leaves? Are there gloves in the store?
Right and wrong.
Now for the right and wrong section. Is there pigs? This is wrong because pigs is plural. We use the be verb are with plural. Are there pigs? Are there a school in the town? This is wrong because a school is singular. We use is with singular. Is there a school in the town?
Quiz.
Circle the right word. There is, are, a candy in the basket. A candy is singular, so you circle is. There is a candy in the basket. There are 5 people in the store. 5 people is plural. You use are with plural. There are 5 people in the store. Are there books in the bag? Books is plural. You circle are. Are there books in the bag? There isn't, are not, a glass on the table. A glass is singular. You choose isn't. There isn't a glass on the table.
Quiz.
We will look at the map and answer the questions. Is there a hospital on the map? The answer is yes, there is. Is there a supermarket on the map? The answer is no, there isn't. There is no supermarket on the map. Are there cars on the map? The answer is yes, there are. Are there dogs on the map? The answer is no, there aren't. Is there a school on the map? The answer is yes, there is. We will write a question. The answer is yes, there are frogs in the pond. We start the question with a be verb, are. Are there frogs in the pond? The answer is yes, there is a washroom in the building. Start the question with the be verb, is. Is there a washroom in the building? In the next section, we find the mistake and correct it. There is 4 ducks on the lake. There are 4 ducks, so we do not choose is. We need the plural be verb. The answer is there are 4 ducks on the lake. Are there a kangaroo? A kangaroo is singular, so we use is. Is there a kangaroo? There not are any apples in the basket. Be verbs come before the word not. The answer is there are not any apples in the basket. Is there tapes? Tapes is plural. We have to use a plural be verb. The answer should be, are there tapes? Let's make a sentence using the words below. The first letter should be a capital. This Emily's bedroom is. This is Emily's bedroom. Next, there is, on the desk, a computer. There is a computer on the desk. Books, on the bookshelf, there are. There are books on the bookshelf. Look at the next one. A vase, there is, on the desk. There is a vase on the desk. Is there, in the vase, a flower? Is there a flower in the vase? Yes, is there. Yes, there is.